With over 1,500 local and international exhibiting companies set to showcase their latest offering this week, we are proud to be working in tandem with our government's Industry 4WRD initiative to boost our manufacturing sector.
Mr. Gandhi informed me that the number of visitors compared to last year on the similar soft launch has increased by 27%, and I'm sure this will translate into more business opportunities for all of the exhibitors here.
我觉得这一个展览会呢，展现了很多的产品，不同国家的产品，还有有关于这个自动化系统的东西都还不错，很好。
这一次的 METALTECH 是我看过最好的一次啦，算是蛮不错的。
我们是自己带了目录过来，然后这一次真的发完了。晚上的时候就是UBM 这边还就是搞了那个 party， 就是觉得很震撼人心，就让我们。
I would say this is a very good show to show our latest product to the customer, and it's actually a good platform to introduce our product to the whole market.
Right. This is our first time to participate this METALTECH exhibition. We got a lot of different opinion on our equipment. There are some positive ones, and also there are some very good suggestions from the visitor as well. And I learned a lot from them as well, and then basically I can make my marketing strategy based on this exhibition as well. So far I have a very good feeling until now. Most probably I will bring NKC to participate again.
We have been supporting METALTECH since our establishment in 2007, meaning this is 2019, about 12 years already. Yes, we are looking forward to join on the next METALTECH. We have been supporting METALTECH for the past 12 years.
We skipped 2 years ago. Only we just came back, new place. We have quite a number of feedback, especially for this new pump. This is a brand new one which we have. We are representing them in Malaysia, starting this year.
几年前是我们参加过一次，我们停办了大概是3、4年左右吧，今年再重新参加。其实这3天的反应都蛮不错，对我们来说，尤其是第一天，其实我 quite surprised 为什么第一天会这么好。So far so good, I would say. Yes, and then inquiry wise 也是很好的。Overall, organization wise 是很不错啦，老实讲，没有什么好挑剔的。
其实今年是我们第7年参加 METALTECH， 到今天为止，我们都有遇到很多新的 potential 的 customer 啦，跟
新的这个 market industry。今年 METALTECH 是在新的会场啦，所以 visitor 太多了 ，definitely will join and for many more years to come。
METALTECH